This is a normal dog, and this is a long boy. Today, we are turning this cute little dachshund into a bouncy spring keychain. To do it, we are teaming up with AI as our design assistant for the modeling process. Let's get started. Time to put our new design assistant, Tripo AI, to work for the modeling process. To kick things off, we get two options: HD model or smart mesh. Since our end goal is to 3D print this long boy, we're going straight with HD model. I just drag and drop the image, make sure their latest v3.1 best quality engine is checked, and hit generate. Our design assistant generates a complete 3D model in just a few seconds. Having an AI assistant like this makes the design workflow insanely fast. But right now, he's looking a bit ghostly. Clay white is boring. Let's splash some high-definition color on him. Tripo has this insane 8K texture feature, the kind of quality you usually see in high-budget animated films. Just one click on Generate Texture, and our design assistant wraps him in high-precision colors. Look at him. He's ready to bark. First, I'll export our puppy as a multicolor printable file and bring it straight into Bamboo Studio. Right after importing, I'll reduce the number of colors to 3 and assign the exact colors I want to print. Next, I'll scale it up and do a quick flat cut at the bottom to guarantee perfect first layer adhesion. With our foundation ready, let's make him flexible. I'm importing this flexi spring cutter, dragging it right to the middle of his belly and scaling it down to fit. Just like that, our dog has a slinky body. But wait, how do we turn this into a keychain? I'll create an outer and an inner cylinder, then subtract the inner one using the mesh Boolean function. I'll just attach it to his head like a tiny halo. Slice it, print it, let's go. No assembly, no glue nightmare. Just snap the metal ring in, and our bouncy sausage is ready to wiggle. And the best part? It's not just for your keys. You can use it as a zipper pull, hang it on your backpack, or just keep it on your desk. Seriously, this has officially become my new Fidget Keychain addiction. I also created bunny and teddy bear versions because honestly, you can never have too many bouncy friends on your bag. If you want to have your own design assistant to speedrun the modeling process, now is the perfect time. You can use the code TRIPOCREW to get 60% off your first pro month. That's less than $8 to unlock all Tripo features. Plus, if you use my invitation link in the description, you'll get an extra 500 bonus credits to start creating right away. So which bouncy pet are you printing first? The dog, the bunny, or the teddy bear? Or do you have a better animal in mind? Drop your favorite animal in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more AI 3D printing projects, and I'll see you in the next print.